Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Roblox problem reaching our servers. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To address browser security settings in Google Chrome, begin by opening Chrome and clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner. Navigate to Settings, then proceed to the Privacy and Security tab. From there, select Security and ensure that Standard Protection is enabled. After making this adjustment, relaunch the Roblox app. If the issue persists, you can try another approach. Next, check your computer's firewall settings. Press the Windows key to open the Start menu and search for Firewall. Click on Firewall and Network Protection and then select Allow an app through Firewall. To modify the settings, click on Change Settings. Locate your internet browser, in this case, Google Chrome, in the list of applications, and ensure that both private and public options are selected. Similarly, scroll down to find the Roblox app and verify that both options are checked as well. Click OK to save the changes, and then try relaunching Roblox to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still encountering connection problems, consider changing your DNS settings. Open the Start menu, search for Control Panel and select it. Go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. On the left, choose Change Adapter Settings. Find your current network connection, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Change the setting from Obtain DNS Server Address automatically to Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8888 in the first box and 8844 in the second. Click OK to apply these changes and relaunch Roblox to test the connection. Clearing your browser's cache can also help resolve issues. Open Chrome, click on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure all relevant boxes are checked, then click Clear Data. If none of these steps resolve the problem, consider performing a clean install of the Roblox app. Go to the Start menu, search for App, and select Add or Remove Programs. Search for Roblox, find Roblox Player, and click the three dots next to it to select Uninstall. After uninstalling, visit Roblox, come download in your browser, and click the Download button to reinstall the app. Once downloaded and installed, try launching Roblox again. If issues persist, try disabling your VPN if you are using one, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with network connections. This series of steps should help you troubleshoot and resolve common issues with Roblox. So that's basically how to fix Roblox problem reaching our servers. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.